Hello everyone, my name is Cindy, and today I wanted to talk to you about vaccines, specifically how to find out more information about vaccines, and if you so choose, where to get vaccines. It is the fall right now, and many people are thinking about getting a COVID-19 vaccine, a seasonal flu vaccine, or even just completing their immunization schedules for school, daycare, sports, etc. You might also want information on how to opt out of certain immunizations. So if you are interested in finding out any of that information, this would be a good video to watch. Before we begin, please note that I am not a medical professional and I cannot give you medical advice. So if you have a specific question about immunizations and how they will work with your health or the health of your family, I do recommend that you ask a medical professional such as your primary care doctor. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk briefly about how to find information about three kinds of immunizations, specifically COVID-19, seasonal flu, and general ones. So if right now, September 2021, it is fairly easy to find information about the COVID-19 shot and how to get it. If you are looking for information about COVID-19 and you're from Kentucky, the best place for you to go would be the official Team Kentucky website. If you just Google Team Kentucky, it used to be kycovid19.ky.gov, and it now moves you to govstatus.egov.com, but that is the official website about COVID-19. So that's information about how many positive cases, how it's affecting certain counties, if there's anything affecting schools, and that's a really good resource for you to go to if you want to know more information about it. If you're looking for a COVID-19 shot, you can always click on their vaccine schedule or their vaccine tab, and that will take you to where you can find a COVID-19 vaccine. That will, however, move you to vaccines.gov, and that is the official place. It's run by the CDC, and that's the official place where you can find COVID-19 vaccines. So when you click on it, you can give information such as what your zip code is, if there's a certain vaccine you do or don't want, and you can search for those vaccines. And they'll take you to the various places you can go to get that vaccine. And so that's basically how you'll find a COVID-19 vaccine and find information about the COVID-19 vaccine. Of course, you can also always speak to your doctor as they are wealths of information. Now, flu season is gearing up since it is the end of September, and you might want to know more information about seasonal flu, the flu shots, and other things. So if you're in Kentucky, one of your best resources is going to be the Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services, CHFS, and you can find a ton of information on there. Specifically, you could find information about the flu. So you can get information about who might be at risk, habits that you can engage in to avoid getting the flu, and then a ton of other information such as weekly reports. If you'd like a little bit more nationwide information about seasonal flu, the CDC has a ton of information about the flu right now, and you can go and look at their website. It's the cdc.gov. You can just search for flu, and that will get you information all about it. It even has information about related but not the same strains, such as, the seasonal flu, but also avian, the pandemic, swine, etc. So if you really want to find more information about the flu, that is where you would go for it. Fortunately, unfortunately, neither the CDC nor the CHFS has a specific flu shot locator at this time. And that is perhaps because it's fairly easy to find a flu shot. Rite Aids, Walgreens, your doctor's office, things like that can help you find a flu shot. So, talk to your doctor and keep your eyes open for signs. One thing you can keep your eyes open in October of 2021 is that the Paul Sawyer Public Library, us, will be having a flu shot clinic. Walgreens will be coming to our library, and they will be giving free flu shots for both insured and uninsured Frankfort Franklin County residents. So if you want to just get your flu shot now, October 6th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is your window to do so. And finally, if you need more information about a general immunization schedule for yourself or your children, or you need information on how to opt out of some immunizations, you're going to want to, if you're a Kentuckian, look at the Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services. Once again, it's a great resource for information. And something that you might be interested in knowing is that they have the paperwork to decline certain vaccines. They have certificates of immunization status. They have surveys and links. They have records. So they also have recommended immunizations for different age groups, such as adolescents, college-age individuals, adults, and a bunch of other things. So if you're a Kentuckian and you want to find more information about what vaccines you should have or need to have, or how to opt out of getting certain vaccines, this is a really good resource for you. Once again, that is CHFS, the Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services. You can also always look at the CDC's vaccines and immunization page, and they just have a complete wealth of information, an almost overwhelming amount. But it is really nice because you can look at immunization schedules. You can see about needing certain immunizations if you're traveling, if you're a healthcare professional. So just a ton of resources there on the CDC's vaccines and immunizations page. So I know that was a real quick look at vaccines and where to get information about them, about how to get them, but I hope you did find it helpful, especially as we move into fall and many people are thinking about this. If you have specific questions on how to find more information, how to access these informations, anything that is not medical advice, we would be happy to help you, so feel free to comment or contact us. Otherwise, you have a great day. Bye-bye.